The Beethoven theme in the Classical Showdown is definitely a fun one. It comes from Beethoven's Fur Elise. Let's go ahead and take a look. This one is actually pretty easy. You'll like this. Take your pinky and start on the E. Go to the sharp with the fourth finger. Back to the E, back to the D sharp, back to the E. Then with your second finger, play the B, the fourth on D, third on C, and thumb on A. We'll do that again, the exact same thing. The next thing you'll see that it says middle C, but it has an 8VA written above it, which means one octave higher. So we start on the C, and you just walk up every white note. You keep going past the C until you get to the G, then you'll get your first sharp. Come back to the white notes, keep going up the white notes until you get to the D, you'll have your second sharp, and you'll finish on 5 E's. Then you do a glissando, and you're back to the Handel theme. One thing you may prefer to do is to play your C major fingering on this part. Going up the hill, cross after E underneath to your thumb on F. Play 4 fingers, and then you'll cross again underneath to the thumb on C. Cross after E to the thumb on F. When you get to the G, you want to go to the sharp with your middle finger, cross under with your thumb, second finger, third finger, cross under to your thumb on D, the second finger on D sharp, and then with the middle finger, play 5 times on E. All right, enjoy the Beethoven theme in Classical Showdown. Next, we will put the whole song together.